So today we want to talk about how to plant small seeds. Planting small seeds can be a real chore sometimes, especially when we start thinking about things like carrots. When we look at carrot seeds, they're quite small and they're difficult to handle. So if I try to place one of these seeds every so often in a row, I have to be very careful. It's my dexterity and my fat fingers don't allow for me to do a very good job of planting carrots using my fingers. As you can see, I've got one here, three there, one, two, three here, three, a couple more there, a couple more there. And of course, I'm being very patient right now because I know I only have to plant a little bit. But if I'm going to plant several feet of rows of carrots, I'm going to get pretty sloppy. So what are some alternatives that we have so that we can plant some of these smaller seeds? This is an option that is available to many. It is a seed sower, if you want to use that term. It's got several different sized holes or openings to accommodate the small seeds all the way up to some of the larger seeds. And it gives us that opportunity to maybe be a little bit more precise. So I'm going to go ahead and put some carrot seeds inside there. And of course, with carrot seeds, I'm going to go ahead and pick my smallest opening, or my second smallest opening. The smallest one won't let too many of them go through. And then what we do is we just kind of tap these just with our finger. And you can see that I start to get some seeds coming out. Okay, so that's not quite a nice neat row, especially for people that are somewhat anal and want a nice straight even row. We're going to have to come back on both of these rows and thin these eventually. And thinning carrots can be a real time-consuming effort. One of the things that I have and that I work with is I have the handy dandy precision planter. And these handy dandy precision planters that I developed, very unique in design, is actually we take a piece of paper, we fold it over, we put a small crease in there, and then we fold it in half. This small area here serves as a reservoir for our seeds. Okay. So we have a reservoir for our seeds, and now I can just kind of start tapping these. And the one thing that I like to use when I'm doing this is some sort of a seed distribution device, such as this safety orange one that I have here. And as you see, as I tap on this, my seeds start to show up in that crease, and I can just kind of inch them along and very carefully place those seeds in a nice straight row, uniform distances. I can minimize my thinning. And so again, that's my handy dandy precision planter. And if you're interested in that and you would like to purchase one, let me know. Send a self-addressed stamped envelope to me. I charge 97 cents a piece for these, or four for $5, and 5 for 10. So, and they may become very handy for you. Another thing that we can do is that we can use our handy dandy sower. And this is an opportunity where we can take and open this up and add a little bit of sand to this sower. Put some sand in there. And then we can go ahead and add our carrot seeds into the sand. And if we shake that up real nicely and distribute those seeds throughout the sand, and then understanding that we can then kind of tap this shaker and broadcast sand in a kind of a more of a uniformed fashion, again trying to reduce the amount of thinning that we'll have to do later on. And so my handy dandy seed sower also is available for sale. They come in two options, blue or gray. And feel free to send me again, send a self-addressed stamped envelope and cash to me, and I can get these to you. I kind of had a shortage of these right now because my wife likes to use these to keep her spices in, and I keep dumping the spices out to use them for carrot seed planters. But I hope that you found a little humor in this, but just trying to figure out how can we more precisely plant, not waste seeds, have good stands, and then kind of reduce our thinning for carrots, and especially those very, very small seeds. And so I hope you enjoyed this. Again, my name is Brian with Square Foot Gardening, and like I say, keep those fingers dirty.